All right, I'm Dr. Smith. I'm the Executive Director of Student Services for Rock Hill Schools, and this month we are celebrating Anti-Bullying Month. This is National Bullying Prevention Month, and I am here at Independence Elementary School with Nelson and Anaya, some fourth graders who just experienced a BMX presentation to promote anti-bullying and to just promote making good decisions. So, guys, can you tell me what you enjoyed about this experience today?
I enjoyed the backflips that they did and all the tricks that they always did, and I always dreamed of doing BMX.
Okay, so the backflips and the tricks. And what about you, Anaya?
What I like about this was how they used the bikes instead of like motorcycles.
Yes.
Usually
yes.
they use motorcycles instead of bikes.
Mm-hmm.
So that was my favorite
So
part.
you enjoyed them using the bikes. And tell me what you learned today. I know they were doing the tricks with the bikes and you enjoyed that. But what did you learn in terms of anti-bullying, being kind, making good decisions?
So they were working together as a team
Very
and
good.
synergizing.
Yes, yes. And synergizing is one of your 7 habits, correct?
Yes.
Absolutely, as we are a leader in me district and definitely a lighthouse leader in me school. What about you, Nelson? What did you learn?
I learned that to stay away from negative, to stay from negative, what's it called?
Like influences?
Influences and good influences.
Absolutely. So staying away from negative influences is definitely something that we want to instill in you all as you continue to go through Rock Hill Schools. And again, this is Dr. Smith. This is National Anti-Bullying Month, and this is Unity Day, which is why we are all in orange. Thank you.